All right, what's up, everybody? So it's test time. Um, let's talk about what you're doing. Should look just like the other ones. Nothing surprising there. Crossword, multiple choice, and then the slightly more open questions. I'll show you all of it right here, quick in this video. We'll get it going. Now, this is going to at first look huge and intimidating and scary, but what I did here was there's a whole bunch that are minerals, and then there's a whole bunch that are on these two pages right here of the reference tables, 6 and 7. Now, if you're the type of person that's going to look at this and say, bioclastic made up of plant remains, geez, I don't remember that, then this is going to take you a million years. I don't expect anybody to have any of this memorized at all. The purpose of doing this is that you got to start to make it through, certainly to make it through the next part of the test. You got to start having some of these words trigger, oh, that means I got to go to this reference table. For example, bioclastic gets you to the sedimentary table. So there's your first one, sedimentary. What else we got? Organic made from plant remains. And it says it right there, compacted plant remains. Okay. So while, again, it might look intimidating and difficult, it's really like you got to spot the vocab word, go to the right table, and then the answer's sitting there for you. That's the trick to this whole thing. This is as simple and boiled down as that can get because I really just stick to exactly what's written on the reference table. Okay. So can you see streak and say minerals? Can you see foliated and say metamorphic? If you can do that, then you're doing great and you're going to bang right through this thing very quickly, even though it looks like there's a lot of clues. So yeah, do that. Now, when you get to the multiple choice part, you're still going to have to use these tables, only it's going to get a little bit harder. They'll be a little bit thinkier. Okay. This tables. And again, it's you like, that's the point of this whole rocks unit is the ability to crank through these reference tables quickly and easily. Okay. So if you can see that vocab word, go to the correct table, the answer will show up for you. I don't think there's anything you would have to have memorized. In fact, if you were just like really good at figuring out puzzles or something like that, you could probably have done this part of the test on the first day. If you're just patient enough to find the words, it's all on there. Okay. What else we got? Part 2 will be the usual. There's chapter 11 from the book, and then there will be questions that look like this. Page 223, question 10. So you go to that. Your call on how much you want to do reading-wise first. Different people have different strategies there, but there you go. And, I mean, use the review book to your advantage. They're not going to ask questions in this book that they didn't talk about up here. So take your time, rack up some points there. That'll be great. I kind of ran short. I wanted to do the usual 25 questions, but I didn't find more than this many that I liked out of the book. So then I went and just opened up old Regencies until I found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more questions. Okay, so there's 7 questions that are copied off of Regencies, and the rest are all read out of the reference. Out of the review book chapter that is scanned, and then this guy here, only 3 things. So some questions about this picture. Quick YouTube video I shot last night at the beach, and then tell me the difference between those two. And you're done with rocks, and you're done with Marking Period 3. All right, sound good? Any questions? Speak up. Let me know. And again, reference tables. Do that. If you do, you will succeed. All right. Good luck, everybody. Oh, I don't want to do that.